Welcome to DevVenture with MTK, where we dive deep into game development topics. Have you ever had a project that didn't turn out as planned? I did, and now I'm fixing it. Join me as I rebuild my space shooter game. This is the first video in a series where I'll delve into making a small-scope 3D space shooter game. The idea is a simple FPS game where the player pilots a spaceship and takes on one of three roles: a defender, a miner, or a pirate. I'll expand on these roles later, but for now, let me provide the context of this DevVenture and what I've done so far. Let's start with the why before getting into the what, shall we? To answer why am I rebuilding my space shooter, I need to tell you a story from my game dev study days. In my final year of computer science, our capstone project had teams of 3 working with the supervisor as the client. Those of us in the game dev co-major built a full game. We collaborated with art students from other universities, and our artist went above and beyond. When we asked for 3 ship models, his supervisor said, "I'm sorry guys, but 1 ship, okay?" We planned to tweak textures, but he delivered multiple ships. Fighters, capital ships for the miners and pirates, plus fonts, UI assets, and more. Some teams got nothing. We got lucky. Then came the catch. Our player's ship was shaking badly. We tried fixes, but it persisted. To demo something smoother, my teammate tested store-bought assets. The artist noticed this during the showcase, and we had to explain the technical mess. Tiny ship scales and high speeds in Unity's single scene broke it. I learned a lot since then, and I'm confident that I can do better now. I got the artist's permission to use his work, though he couldn't join me this time. Now that I've covered the why, let's talk about the what. What is this game, and how is it different from the original? Here's the premise so far. The player picks one of 3 roles: a defender, miner, or pirate, and completes the tasks to win the level. It'll be single player for now, and maybe multiplayer later. The defender pilots a fighter ship, protecting miners from pirates in an asteroid field. The miner extracts ore and avoids trouble, relying on stealth and NPC defenders to keep the pirates busy. The pirate mixes combat and scavenging, less agile than a defender and less equipped than a miner. They steal ore after miners do the work. That's the overview. I'll tweak it based on my prototyping and your feedback. Do you think I balanced these roles well? Let me know in the comments below. I'll keep this video short since I'll dive into the technical setup in part 2. In summary, I'm rebuilding a game from my university days to honor our artist's work and get it right this time. I also hope to publish once it's done, so keep following if you'd like to see that happen. It's a single-player space shooter with defender, miner, or pirate roles. Please like this video and share it with others if you found it interesting. Your support keeps this channel going. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates. You are also welcome to join my Discord server where we talk all things game dev. Links below. Thank you. That's the first step in this DevVenture. This is MTK, signing off.